baby. Hit it.
Hello mga beshies, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. So for today's video, we're here at Market Markets and I'm gonna have a last minute shopping because tomorrow I'm gonna head to Subic. So yan mga beshi, let's go. It's jam-packed today. We're here at the fashion market mga beshies. I'm gonna buy some clothes because I wasn't able to buy, to bring a lot of clothes from Abu Dhabi to Manila because I'm scared to be over baggage. So I'm gonna buy some clothes today. Let's go! So Christmassy feels here in Market. There's a lot of decoration. So beautiful. Hello mga beshies, I was able to buy some clothes already, so I'm gonna show that to you later when I get home. So we ordered our dinner at Tokyo now and we're just waiting for our food. I'll show you guys later what did we order. Let's go! So this is what I ordered mga beshi, Wagyu cubes. So it comes with vegetables and rice, and Larry has the chicken teriyaki with the same, and my mom as well the beef miso. And there's a miso soup and red iced tea. Let's go mga beshi, let's eat! Hello mga beshies! Good morning from Manila. So today, Dodong will pick me up and I'm going to Subic for a few days. So let's go mga beshies, come along with me! Hello mga beshies. So we're just having a stopover because I'm gonna buy some coffee because I didn't have breakfast yet. So magkakape na muna tayo for today. Say hi Anjong.
Hello.
Tulog pa more.
Kakagising.
And Bebe, say hi. So we're just finding the Starbucks. Let's go mga beshies. Yan. Finally found Starbucks. Nandun pala siya sa dulo, mga beshies. Ay, nako. so cute. What's your secret? Hmm?
Because I love everyone.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's good. Good attitude. Keep it up.
Okay.
What are you doing, Harps?
I am dancing very well.
What? You're dancing with the crocodile? It's not a massage anymore, Harper. That's not a massage anymore.
Harper, why you're so cute?
It's not a massage anymore. Harper, don't do that to daddy. Hindi, pinapamassage ko nga yung likod ko.
Hello mga besties, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. So for today's video, we're gonna make gala here in Subic. And we will have lunch, I think, in Goblin Restaurant. It's a Sanggyeopsal restaurant. So let's go mga besties! Wow, beautiful Subic. It's a gloomy day today. There's no sunlight. But it's a bit warm by today. Here, so cozy, and it's so Christmassy and Korean-y. So cute. Ayan siya. Beautiful. Here's their menu mga beshi. It's unlimited pork and beef and side dishes
And a drink. And a soup.
everything. Wow. Unlimited for 2 hours with, with iced tea. Wow. Yan ang price mga beshes. You're putting the charcoal now. Yay! Okay. Thank you. You're getting some meat na, more food, more side dishes. Hello mga beshi. So we just finished our lunch here at Goblin, and we're gonna head to Duty Free in a while. Let's go mga beshies! Chocolates, more chocolates here at the Duty Free. Ayan o, M&M. Parang wali.
Yung yellows.
Okay, streets from Subic. We're coming here to Subic Rivera Hotel and Residence. Social. Dito tayo, social. Bongga ng ambience. Mag-check-in ba tayo? Are we going to check in here? Ano, meron ba? Ano pang meron dito, Besh? Can you tell me about it?
Birthday niya.
Birthday niya? February pa yan.
Happy birthday.
Ganda. I love the ambience here. So cozy and fancy.
5?
So we're gonna buy drinks for now, like coffee or
What? Bad.
ganda. Yeah. Wow. So I'm at the top. You can see the whole city. Menu here. Oo, mocktail yan eh. Walang alcohol. Ano yan mga... Hello po. So guys, kaya? Hello mga besties, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. So for today's video, we're going to the cemetery to visit Dodong's mom, and we're gonna go to some of the errands that we have to do today. So let's go mga besties, come along with us. Morning po. Naku, wala siyang bulaklak.
Wala akong bulaklak ma ha. Wala na yung bulaklak mo pala dito.
Gusto na po kayo.
Pwede mo nang pakihiram ng bulaklak. Ito, tignan mo. Meron mga ganito.
Dapat nililinis na ako ng mahal-mahal.
go to end. Arroz caldo tayo. Enjoy! We're here at the Walter Mart and we're just having our breakfast. And later on, we're gonna head to the wet market. Let's go mga beshies! Siomay na mga beshi. Let's eat. Say out. So beshi, where are we now?
We're at this market!
Yeah, dito kami sa palengke. Anong bibilin mo, besh? Mamimili siya ng gulay. I'm gonna buy some dry fish. So let's go mga beshies. Dried fish.
One, two, three, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.